Sanskriti and I study in 8th standard, and today's topic is really interesting, something crazy, something new, and I hope you like today's video because it is related to something science and it is too much crazy. So let's get started to today's video, and our today's topic is the seven unbelievable things that you never listened, that you never heard. So let's get started. So first, today I am going to tell you something about the pineapples, something sharks, and today we are going to discuss about our whole world. So whole our whole agriculture. So let's move ahead to our topic, and first we are going to talk about the pineapple. So while listening the name of the pineapple, you just get remembered the beaches, the your summer vacations, your all summer vacations you remember by listening the name of pineapple. We all of us like to eat the pineapple, but you think that how much time the pineapple takes to grow? It takes 2 years. It takes 2 years to grow. Pineapple takes 2 years to grow. When I heard this, when I read this, I just my expression are also different from another things, from another stories, from another videos, or from another things. My expressions are also various. We like the pineapple and we just eat in 2 minutes. We just eat one piece of pineapple in 2 minutes, and it takes 2 years to grow. That's I don't have words to talk about pineapple, so let's get move ahead. So next is the shark are older than trees. What? The shark are older than trees? So what the science says that first the animals come on earth, and after that the trees come on earth, and after that the fishes and mans come on the earth. But that's not truth. The truth is the fishes come first, and after that trees. Before fishes the sharks came, and after that the trees came, because the shark are 4 million years old and the trees are 300 and the sharks are 400 million year old and the trees are 350 million year old. So that is true that shark are older than the trees. And after that, our third is the Greenland sharks. So there is one Greenland city. In that city, there are so many sharks. There are so many sharks in that city. Different kind of sharks. So they have a life for 500 years. They have a life for 500 years. So you thought, guys, if we got such a long life as a Greenland shark, so we just do anything in our life. We just do so many things in our life. And if you are blessing anyone, so bless that live a long life as a Greenland shark. So third is the leeches have a 32 brains. Yes, that the leeches that the leeches insects are which drinks the blood of human being, and they have a 32 brains. They have 32 brains to just drink a blood of human. And we are just I also have so many different expressions expression than the pineapple thing. So leeches have a 32 brains. Leeches have too much small size, and they have the 32 brains. Just we have a 2 brains. One is big and one is small. So that's why we are such a tall and such a long. So that's not fair that leeches have a 32 brains, and just while they are a little from us. So they have a 32 brains. So let's move ahead. Dolphin. So dolphin are very humanly, they are very friendly with humans, and they are very clever. So let me tell you one thing, that why they are very clever. In USA, the army use the dolphins. Army use dolphins for just do research, insert the uh, in sorry in the ground of the oceans or seas. The USA use the dolphins to do a research underground of the water, and they give a special trainings to dolphins to go under and do the research. And after that, they just put something sensors on the dolphins, and dolphins just move here and there. They dolphins do research. Dolphins are very clever, very friendly, and they also play with the humans. So it is easy to give a training to dolphins. Next is earthquake. What is earthquake? So earthquake also as a very big earthquake. So there are so many big earthquake as like Japan and Nepal. So earthquake also damage all the earthquake also damage whole the country. So what happens in Japan? So when the earthquake damage whole the country of Japan, that earthquake decreases our the time of our all lives. So earthquake I think some 10,000 I think some 10 seconds earthquake decreases from our life. We just thought that it is too much little, but it is but fact is that earthquake decreases the time of our life. So the next and the last one is you can't burp in the space. So what is that? You can't burp in the space. If you eat something, your dinner, if you eat something, so you have to burp, and it is a facility of Indian peoples. If they eat something, so they have to burp to tell that it is a sign of Indian people that the food was very delicious and I eat it very well, and the food was very delicious. To give a sign to ladies, you have to burp, and you couldn't burp into the space because there is a no gravity. So the air which the gas inside you, it can't remove outside, and if you try to burp in this space, suddenly you get vomiting and you just vomit in this space. So don't try. We are not going to space, but if you have a lot of money and if you want to go in space, so you can go and just try to burp there, but it is it is not too much care. It is too much dangerous. So you can't burp into the space because of the gravity. So we have finishes our all the facts here about science, and I hope you like today's video, and I hope your expressions are very good by listening the facts. And I just like the fact of the pineapples. They takes 2 years to grow. So I hope you also likes today's all facts, and thank you guys.